Myself, Saloni Dhargave. I am pursuing Masters of Biotechnology in Garden City University, Bangalore. I came here at GGIRHR for embryology training. We had both theory sessions as well as practical sessions. Theory sessions were taken by Monisha ma'am and practical sessions were taken by Chandru sir, and it was a great learning and hands-on experience. They helped us to solve our doubts very nicely, and it was very informative learning. I would like to give ratings 9 out of 10, and I will suggest new aspirants in that this is the best place or a new growing field of embryology, so that they can make career in this institute and they can learn training of embryology nicely at GGIRHR. Thank you GGIRHR for giving this opportunity and making us to learn new techniques about embryology and explore this field. Thank you so much.